Hi guys, today I've played Airsoft at Outpost. This was last weekend and was very fun. But yeah, 'cause I couldn't upload it. But don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video.
Look at him. What is he doing?
It's right over there.
Go on, you can get it. Woo.
Yeah, there's one on the green.
On the green thing, yeah.
And where it like gets down is covering the angle. That's what I was trying to get.
Why do I do this? Because it's fun. No, it isn't. It is pure horror. When it wants to be. Yeah.
Was he shooting at you?
No.
Then he might be ours. If he's in the field, he'll be ours.
People to your right. There. Yeah. Get gone.
What?
Get him gone.
I'm coming in on your back, right?
Go on, get him gone.
No, I'm going in on your back.
Right at the back.
Right,
you see
boys,
where
just
the
going up
tinkle-
my back into there!
Banania! At least I got one of them.
Suicide mission.
Excuse me. Help! You put me in danger. Oh! Go on, mate. Should I just stay here? I want to get a kill with my knife. Oh. I got the perfect plan. I wish. Help! Cover fire! I'll peg it. Cover fire! I'll peg it. How have I not been hit?
Is that the tunnel?
Wait, I'll go round this way.
Is that tunnel? Yeah. What's your name?
George.
George. Going in. Hello. Tunnel there. I'll take you through out here. Nice. Where? It's inside the compound.
Right.
Got lads moving up. And yeah, inside.
I'm just sitting down.
Alright, we can push. You push? Yeah. That's it.
How? What about through there?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm wondering if we can go around there though.
We can, but there's people down there. Oh, I'm not making it through here. Bro. Red, don't worry. If I go up, will I get hit?
Oh, you'll be good.
Okay.
Don't stay, mate. There's not many of them left.
Go that way, there's someone there.
I will get hit, maybe. Oh no, my.
Front flag is out! Front flag has been removed! Front flag has been removed, bottom system remains in the flag. Remember, Red, you can't sneak round and put it back in. I'm on your team, mate. Blue. Blue. Yeah.
Hit! 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 I got someone.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time when I next go airsoft. Goodbye.